We're going to factor with the formula three different polynomials. The first one, A, is y squared minus 16. The second one, B, is 9t squared minus 36c squared. And the third one is part C. It's parenthesis x plus y squared minus 25. So both of these, all of these, well, let's look at the first one. The first one is y squared minus 16. To me, I think I can fit that to look like the left side of a squared minus b squared, which I know is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Let me show you how I'll do it. Y squared minus 16 can be written as parenthesis squared minus parenthesis squared. I put the y in the first parenthesis and the 4 in the second parenthesis. See, that'll give me the 16 at the end. Okay, so the formula now can be applied because it fits the left side of the formula. We have a plus b times a minus b. So that's equal to y plus 4 times y minus 4. There you go. That was easy. Next one is 9t squared minus 36c equals parenthesis squared minus parenthesis squared. Can we get this to fit the left side of the formula? Yes, we can write the first part as 3t in the parenthesis, because when you square 3t, you get 3t times 3t, which is 9t to the second power. And in the second parenthesis, we can put 6 times c, because 6c times 6c gives you 36c squared. So we were able to write the given polynomial in the the form of the left side of this formula, so we can go ahead and apply the right side. The first dude squared minus the second dude squared equals parenthesis first plus the second times first minus the second. Or, as I wrote it as first minus the second times first plus the second. Either way, as long as there's a plus in the middle for one of those factors and a minus in the middle of the other one, that's all I care about. Okay, part C, the problem is parenthesis x plus y squared minus 25. Okay. Now, resist the temptation to expand the x plus y squared. This is actually nice the way it looks because we have an expression squared minus 5 squared. So we can use the formula. See, this is bracket x plus y squared minus bracket 5 squared. X plus y in the first bracket, 5 in the second. So it's a difference between two squares. We're going to factor it with the formula. We're going to write this as the first dude plus the last dude in brackets, first dude plus the last dude times first dude minus the last dude in brackets. That's the factorization. It's just a little more complicated than what we saw earlier because the first dude is in parentheses, but it's still valid. Now we're going to get rid of the inner parentheses and we'll have x plus y plus 5 times parenthesis x plus y minus 5, and we're finished.